Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to multiply fractions. If you haven't watched other videos on fractions, kindly watch that. I'll share link in the description so you can watch from there. Here Alina is discussing with his brother about multiplication of fractions. She said 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 3 gives 1 by 5. And her brother wanted to know how. So let's find out how to multiply fractions. So multiplication of fractions is not like addition and subtraction of fractions. Like in addition and subtraction, we always check the denominators. Then if it's same, then we just add or subtract the numerators. When it's different, we are finding the LCM of the denominator. We have done that already, addition and subtraction of fractions only. There we were checking the denominators, but here the multiplication is bit easy. In multiplication, the first step is just you need to multiply the numerators. Step 2, multiply the denominators. Step 3, after that, you'll get the resultant fraction. The fraction you get, reduce that to the lowest term if it's possible. If it's already in the simplest form, then you can skip that. If you do not know how to do the simplest form, you can watch my video. I have made a video on the simplest form. We can do the cutting method or the division method. You can watch and learn from there. Okay, let's begin with an example. Multiplying fraction with a fraction. So here we have the A part 2 by 5 multiply 3 by 5. Now when we multiply fraction with fraction, even though the denominators are same, it's not the case here. You'll just remember multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 3s are 6, 5 5s are 25. Just multiply the upper ones, then the lower ones, and you'll get your fraction. Let's see the B part. 4 by 7 multiply 4 by 3. Even though the numerators are same, the rule is exactly same. Multiply numerator with numerator, that is 4 4s are 16. And denominator with denominator, that 7 3s are 21. So your answer will be 16 by 21. Here you can check that do we need to reduce these fractions or not. For that, you can use the divisibility rules that they are coming in any table together. 6 and 25 will not come in any table together. And 16 and 21 as well, they'll not come in any table together. So this is the simplest or the lowest form only. So we will not do any cutting here. C part. 7 by 3 multiply 1 by 5 multiply 2 by 3. Now this time we have 3 fractions, but the rule is exactly same. Even though we'll get 3, 4, how many fractions, but still the rule is same. Multiply the numerators and write down 7 1 are 7, 7 2s are 14. And denominators 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So your answer is 14 by 45. You can check that they can come in any table together or not. If not, then it's the lowest or the simplest form. This is your answer. Now the questions, what kind of questions you'll get in the exam? They can write find the value of, and they can give you the question. Let's do the D part. 1 by 2 multiply 4 by 10. Now in this case, you can do the multiplication like 1 4s are 4 and 2 10s are 20. Like numerator will be multiplied with numerator, denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. We get 4 by 20. But here you can see 4 and 20 will come in some other table together. Which table? 2 table also. Go with the bigger tables. The cutting will be better and easier. So they come with the 4 table as well. So I'll write 4 by 20 again. Let's go with the 4 table. If you go with the 2 table, it's fine. Your answer will be same, whatever we got with the 4 table. So in 4 table, 4 and 20 both are coming. Where it comes, 4 ones are, let's do the cutting first, 4 and 20, because we know they're coming in the 4 table. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So 5 will come here. So numerator is 1, denominator is 5. So your answer is 1 by 5, 1 and 5 will not come any table together. So it's fine. Our answer we got is 1 by 5. E part. The other way you can get the question of simplified. For that, we have 2 by 4 multiply 3 by 6. Now in this case, you can multiply 2 3s are 6, 4 6s are 12, and then you can solve. Or either there is some other way, like if you do not want to do multiplication first you want to do cutting so that your calculations could be easier. So for that, I'll be writing 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 again. In this case, we are doing the cutting first, then we are writing the answer. This is the different form of doing the same. Like first we were doing numerator will be multiplied with numerator, denominator with denominator, then whatever the answer we get, we were doing cutting of that. But here also we can do cut. You should know that also. So while with the multiply sign, we can only do up and down cutting. This up and down cutting, or either we can do the cross cutting. I'll explain both of them one by one. Okay, so here first of all, let's check. 2 and 4 come any table together? Yes, obviously they come together in the 2 table. So let's cut that out. We can do up and down cutting, definitely 2 cut, 4 cut. Where 2 comes in 2 table, 2 ones are 2. Where 4 comes in 2 table, 2 twos are 4. We got 1 and 2. Now 1 and 2 further do not come any table together. So we'll leave here. Moving to the next fraction, 3 and 6. Do that come in any table together? Yes, in 3 table. So let's cut 3. Let's cut 6. Now where 3 comes in 3 table? 1. Where 6 comes in 3 table? 3 twos are 6. So I got 2. So I have the numerators, I have the denominators. I will multiply now this one. After reducing, I'm going to multiply this. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So I'll write the answer 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 is our answer of this multiplication. Okay, next the question could be in this form, do simplification of the following. For that, we have the question 7 by 12 multiply 9 by 16. So here also, I prefer doing cutting before doing the multiplication, because 12, 16, I need to do the multiplication. I don't know 12, 16s are. For that, it's better to do the cutting first, making it in the reduced form, and then I'll do the multiplication. Okay, let me write the 7 by 12 again, multiply 9 by 16. Now let me do the cutting. Okay, for that I'll check 7 and 12 will come any table together. For up down cutting, no, they'll not come. 9 and 16, any table together, use the divisibility rules. Not, will not come in 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, 10 table. Yeah, they're not coming together. Let's check out the cross cutting. 7 and 16, the cross. Come in any table together? No, it will not come. What about 12 and 9? Yeah, they'll come in some table together. Where, let's check out, 2 table, 9 will not come, 12 will come. So we can't use 2. What about 3? 9 will come and 12 will also come. Let's do the cutting. This is the cross cutting here. 9 is cut, 12 is cut. This is the cross cutting. We can't do numerator and denominator cutting. Not possible. We just can multiply, but we can't do the cutting like that. Cutting is only up, down or cross cutting. Okay, so here 9 and 12. So where they come 3 table, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Now we have 3 here, 4 here. Even though 4 and 16 come in 4 table together, but we can't do cutting of denominator with denominator. Never possible. It's always the cross cutting or the up down cutting. So let's write down the numerators and denominator we got. That is 7 multiplied 3, 4 multiplied 16. So 7 threes are 21, 16 fours are 64. I got 21 by 64. Now let's check this answer, that can we reduce this 2 table, it will not come because 1 last digit is 1. 3 table, 2 plus 1, 3. This will come in 3 table, but 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 do not comes in the 3 table. So I use the divisibility to not come in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. So this is the reduced form. So we do not need to reduce it further. We do not need to simplify further. Okay, let's do the other question. Now this multiplying whole number with a fraction. We are multiplying a whole number. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers starting from 0 are the whole numbers. So we have the question 6 multiply 8 by 3. 6 is the whole number here and we have a fraction 8 by 3. Now what about 6? There's nothing under 6. It means what will come under 6 if there is nothing? I've already explained in addition, subtraction question fractions also, that when we are When we have the whole number, there's nothing in the numerator. It means it can't be 0, it's 1. So 6 denominator is 1. So 6 by 1 multiply 8 by 3. We can write ourselves 1 because if they haven't written, we can write it. Now we have the numerators, we have the denominators, we know the rules. You can do that way. I'll prefer doing the cross cutting because 6 and 1 will not come any table. 8 and 3 will not come any table together. But yeah, 3 and 6 will come. I'll be doing the cross cutting. 6 will cut 3. Now 3 table 3 will come at 1 and 6 will come at 2. So 2 and 1. So I have the numerators, denominators. 2 and 8 cutting we can't do because numerator cutting is not possible. Okay, so writing 2 multiply 8, 1 multiply 1. 2 8s are 16, 1 1s are 1. Now I have the new denominator 1. So I can skip the 1 because if I write only 16, it also means the denominator is 1. Let's write the whole number then, 16. So we got our answer. So this way you can multiply any whole number with the fraction as well. Just write down the denominator yourself, the 1, and the rule is exactly same. Okay, now it's your time to do some workout, giving you the question 3 by 2 multiply 1 by 5. Now the rule is very easy. Do that like you can just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, multiply. Don't do the cutting. And then write down the answer in the comment section. I will check your answers in the comment section and will check how many of you learned how to find multiplication of fractions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for our upcoming videos.